we've been talking about, the different views that we have of our project, and we've been able to switch back and forth between all of them. But what if there was a situation where you wanted to have maybe let's say 4 different views of your project that you could switch back and forth between much quicker than what you did in the past video. All right. So here's how it works. What we do is we create multiple windows of the same project. All right. So multiple project windows. Okay. Now the way we do this is we go into the View tab. All right. And there's a button on here called New Window. Now when I click onto that, and it comes up with this little thing here, and we just go ahead and hit OK. And now there we go. Now you can kind of see up here. Now the way that I've got my my screen kind of set up for doing the recording and all that, I had to kind of shrink it down a little bit. So it got kind of cut off here, but you can sort of see a :1 up there. Okay. Now what happens is if I go now to this little icon here called Switch Windows, all right, I can actually go back to number 1 or go to number 2. They're both the same right now, right? Now let's say in this view, I don't really want to see the timeline, and I also want to go to a different different window. Let's say I want to see the calendar view, all right? So I'll go over here and I'll do a right click there and I'll hit my calendar, and there's the calendar, okay? So number 2 is going to be the calendar. So if I go back here, go back to number 1, that's going to be that one there, right? Go to number 2, that's going to be the calendar, right? Now I can do a new window from here even, so I'll click on to, let's say new window there, hit OK, all right? And on this one, I'll go and do a right click, and I'll tell it that I want to see the maybe the network diagram for some reason. Okay, so there's the network diagram. All right, and then I'll go back there again. I'll hit New Window, hit OK, and then this time, so this particular window, maybe I'll go back into the Gantt chart here, and we can go with the task sheet. Okay, and that's just it without a Gantt bar. Or better yet, I got a better one for you. We'll go back in there and we'll change this back to the Gantt, but I'll have it the Gantt without the timeline, but where we can split the screen here, and this one might show my, let's say my resource sheet. All right. Now we haven't assigned resources to our task, but we could click onto a task and it would show all the resources down here. Pretty cool. And then, of course, you can then go back to any of the 4 windows that you have there, going back and forth just by hitting that one window up there, or that one icon up there, rather than having to go back and forth on, against all the things. So I think it's just a kind of a neat little deal there. Now keep in mind, this does not save, okay? So it, once you leave the program, even if you do save the worksheet, or not worksheet, the project screen here and project database, it won't come back. So keep that in mind. So hopefully that'll help. I appreciate you watching. Take care.